Hey there everyone, this is Guru. Welcome back to the series of Android Debug Bridge, and this is the fourth episode. This video is about for learning purposes, not for any illegal activities. In previous video we clearly discussed about the Android Debug Bridge. If you want, then you can check out the video at I button, and today we're gonna discuss about the how to install ADB tools in our PC and how to connect. So let's start. So I'm going to use the Ubuntu 20.04 LTS and the targeted device is ASUS Zenfone Lite L1. It is available for Mac, Windows and Linux. You can download it from this official site, else you can download it from Google Drive link. I given both of link in the description. So at first let's talk how to establish a connection. You can do it in two ways. One is wired and another is wireless. In wired, you have to make sure that the developer option in your mobile should on. If it is not visible in your mobile, then you can do it by clicking 7 to 8 times the build number. After that, go to the developer option and on the USB debugging. First step is finished. Now you can open the terminal and type ADB devices for showing attached devices. During this command, there is a pop-up window will show in your mobile. If you are going through it first time, if your device is showing in my computer, then it is successfully connected. So let's do same thing through wirelessly. For connecting through wireless, your targeted device must connect with the same Wi-Fi network. And second one is you should have knowledge of the IP address of your targeted device. Firstly, you have to connect the USB cable and type the following command through which port you want to communicate your targeted device. Then you can unblock the USB cable. Now by typing this command you can access your targeted device through IP address. And if you want to check connected devices details, then ADB devices -L. Again, you can check your IP address by firing if config, and as a result you can see this is your main IP address for data connection and this is your IP address for WLAN connection. Okay, I hope you understood. We will discuss later about the commands in details. Today is that's all. If you are thinking I missed anything, then comment on the comment section for helping other people for better understanding. And if you like this video, then like it, share it and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for get instant notification of new videos. Thank you guys for watching the video. Goodbye, take care, stay safe, stay home.